Did you know that the adorable pufferfish is the second most poisonous vertebrate on the planet? This cute little creature packs a lethal punch. Its toxin, a potent compound known as tetrodotoxin, can lead to suffocation in other animals and even humans. The pufferfish's poison is not just in its spines but is also present throughout its body, making every bite potentially deadly. This makes the pufferfish a risky delicacy in places like Japan, where it's known as fugu. Here, specially trained chefs prepare the pufferfish, carefully removing the toxic parts. But even then, if the preparation is not perfect, the consequences can be fatal. In fact, there are several reported cases every year of people suffering from serious poisoning after consuming improperly prepared pufferfish. The toxin can paralyze the muscles while the victim remains fully conscious, and eventually, death can occur through asphyxiation as the diaphragm muscles become paralyzed. So the next time you see a pufferfish, remember it's not as innocent as it looks. Ever heard of a venomous mammal? Meet the slow loris. It's a rare trait in the mammalian world, but the slow loris isn't your average creature. This small, nocturnal primate is one of the few mammals known to pack a venomous punch. The slow loris produces a toxin, which it can mix with its saliva or apply to its fur while grooming. And it's no mild irritant. This venom can induce a severe allergic reaction, leading to anaphylactic shock in some cases. It's not exactly clear why the slow loris developed this unusual trait. Some suggest it's a defense mechanism against predators, while others believe it might be used in territorial disputes. What we do know is that this venomous trait adds a dangerous edge to this seemingly cuddly creature. So next time you see those big round eyes staring at you from the trees, remember, the slow loris is more than just a cute face. While they might seem cuddly, slow lorises are far from harmless. You might be surprised to learn that moose attack more people annually than bears do. Moose, these majestic giants of the forest, are gentle creatures at heart, but they can become quite dangerous if disturbed or threatened. Picture the scene. A serene forest glade, a lone moose munching on leaves, suddenly disturbed. It's not a pretty sight. When a moose feels its personal space has been invaded, it can react with surprising speed and aggression. Moose are not small creatures. They stand taller than the average horse and can weigh up to 1,500 pounds. That's a lot of animal to contend with when it's feeling threatened. The statistics on moose attacks are quite sobering. Each year, more people are injured by moose than by any other wild mammal in North America. These incidents usually occur when humans get too close, often during the breeding season, or when a mother moose is protecting her calves. So remember, it's best to admire these majestic creatures from a distance. Tigers and lions may be beautiful, but mishandling or provoking them can be fatal. These big cats aren't just larger versions of the house cats we all know and love. They're wild animals, equipped with incredible strength and agility, honed by natural selection to be skilled hunters. Their sharp claws and teeth aren't just for show. They're powerful weapons that can easily harm or kill a human being. It's essential to remember that despite their beauty and grace, these creatures are not meant to be pets. They have a wild nature that demands respect and a certain amount of distance. Too often, people underestimate the power of these animals, leading to tragic consequences. These big cats play a crucial role in the ecosystem, maintaining the balance of nature. They're awe-inspiring creatures that deserve our admiration and respect, but from a safe distance. We must always remember that they are wild animals, not cuddly pets. Big cats are indeed magnificent, but they're definitely not pets. Cassowaries, while exotic and intriguing, are extremely aggressive and territorial. These birds, native to the tropical forests of New Guinea and northeastern Australia, are known for their distinct appearance and their impressive size. But don't be fooled by their exotic plumage. Cassowaries are equipped with large, dagger-like claws, which they can use with deadly precision. Imagine a bird that can run at speeds of up to 30 miles per hour. Combine this with a leaping ability that would make an Olympic high jumper blush, and you've got a formidable foe. Cassowaries can leap up to 5 feet off the ground, enabling them to launch an attack on unsuspecting threats or prey. These birds are fiercely territorial, willing to defend their space against intruders. When threatened, they won't hesitate to strike with their powerful legs and sharp claws. So while they might be captivating to look at, it's best to admire these formidable creatures from a safe distance. Beware the cassowary, a bird that's more than just a pretty face. The blue-ringed octopus, while beautiful, is one of the world's most venomous animals. Don't be fooled by their small size and striking colors. These creatures carry enough poison to take down 26 full-grown adults within minutes. This lethal cocktail, a mix of potent neurotoxins, is stored in salivary glands and is used as a defense mechanism against predators. The venom can cause a wide range of symptoms, from nausea to heart failure, and most terrifyingly, it can lead to total body paralysis. In the worst-case scenario, this paralysis can affect the diaphragm, the muscle that enables us to breathe, leading to suffocation, and if not treated quickly, death. There's no known antivenom, making it all the more dangerous. So, the next time you're admiring the vivid hues of the blue-ringed octopus, remember, beauty often comes with a bite. Their vibrant colors might be tempting, but blue-ringed octopuses are better admired from afar. Bears, including grizzlies and polar bears, are known to hunt and kill humans. With their towering stature and formidable strength, bears are a force to be reckoned with. These majestic creatures are not just skilled hunters, but also apex predators in their respective ecosystems. The grizzly bear, with its hulking size and powerful claws, is a true testament to the raw power of nature. They're not just hunting for survival, but also to establish dominance and territory. On the other hand, the polar bear, the largest land predator on Earth, is equally fearsome. Its stark white coat, a perfect camouflage in its icy homeland, and its ability to swim long distances make it an exceptional hunter. However, it's important to keep in mind that these creatures generally prefer to avoid human interaction. The instances of bears hunting humans are relatively rare and often a result of habitat encroachment or protective mother bears defending their cubs. While they might look cuddly, it's best to remember that bears are apex predators. Poison dart frogs might be small, but they're among the most poisonous creatures on Earth. These tiny, vibrantly colored amphibians are native to Central and South America. Their name? Well, it comes from indigenous tribes using their secreted toxins to poison the tips of blow darts. And these toxins are no joke. The poison from these frogs targets the nervous system. It works by blocking the transmission of impulses between nerves, leading to paralysis and potentially even death. Now you might be wondering how such a small creature can produce a toxin powerful enough to cause such havoc. The answer lies in their diet. In the wild, they consume ants and beetles that contain a specific alkaloid, which the frogs then convert into poison. But don't let their dangerous side scare you away entirely. These frogs are a marvel of nature, showcasing the power of adaptation and survival. Their vibrant colors are a warning, not an invitation. Anteaters may seem harmless, but they can maul humans with their powerful claws if threatened. Now, these curious creatures may have a rather comical appearance with their long snouts and shaggy fur, but don't let that fool you. If they feel threatened, they can turn into fierce defenders. Now, you might think, but it's an anteater, what's it going to do, eat me? Well, not exactly. Anteaters, despite their name, don't just use their long, sharp claws for digging into anthills. These claws, which can be as long as 4 inches, are a formidable weapon when it comes to self-defense. When an anteater stands on its hind legs and fans out its claws, it's not doing a funny dance, it's warning you to back off. And if you don't heed that warning, well, let's just say it won't be pretty. They are capable of inflicting severe wounds with those long, sharp claws, even to the point of being fatal. So while they might seem odd and funny, anteaters can be surprisingly dangerous. Wolverines, despite their size, are aggressive and can take down large prey. Now, you might look at a wolverine and think, this small creature? Surely it can't be that formidable. But let me assure you, wolverines are not to be underestimated. They are known for their tenacity, fearlessness, and sheer strength. In fact, they've been known to take down animals much larger than themselves. Wolverines have a reputation for their aggressive nature, particularly when they feel threatened or cornered. Their powerful jaws, sharp claws, and muscular bodies make them excellent hunters. They're not picky eaters either. Their diet ranges from smaller animals like rabbits and rodents to larger ones like elk and even moose. Despite their aggressive tendencies, wolverines also have a softer side. They're known to be very protective and caring parents, with both males and females playing an active role in raising their young. So next time you hear about a wolverine, remember, they're not just the small cuddly creatures they appear to be. They're fierce, they're strong, and they're incredibly resilient. Wolverines are a perfect example of why size isn't everything. Cuttlefish, with their mesmerizing color changes, are actually venomous creatures. Beneath their captivating display lies a hidden danger. These marine animals, often thought of as harmless, carry a potent toxin within their bodies, specifically in their muscles. While they may not be as notorious as some of their oceanic counterparts, they certainly hold their own in the venom department. Their muscle tissue contains a highly toxic substance that can cause serious harm if ingested. Despite their generally docile nature, they have the ability to inject this venom into their prey, immobilizing it almost instantly. It's a stark reminder of how beauty and danger often coexist in the natural world. These creatures, with their hypnotic colors and patterns, wield a silent weapon that's as deadly as it is invisible. So next time you encounter a cuttlefish, remember to admire its beauty from a safe distance. So while cuttlefish are fascinating to watch, they're also a force to be respected. So there you have it, 11 cute animals that could potentially kill you. It's quite the paradox, isn't it? Creatures that are so endearing yet harbor deadly capabilities. Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned. The pufferfish, the second most poisonous vertebrate on the planet, could cause suffocation with its toxin. The slow loris, a rare venomous mammal, can trigger anaphylactic shock. The moose, usually a peaceful giant, can become dangerous when disturbed or threatened, attacking more people annually than bears. Then there are the big cats, like tigers and lions. Their majestic beauty can mesmerize us, but mishandling or provoking them can be deadly. And let's not forget the cassowaries, extremely aggressive and territorial birds that can run, leap, and attack with their large claws. The blue-ringed octopus, one of the world's most venomous animals, has poison that can cause paralysis and even death. Bears, including grizzlies and polar bears, are known for their hunting prowess and can pose a threat to humans. The poison dart frog's toxin attacks the nervous system, making it one of the most poisonous creatures on Earth. The anteater, though seemingly harmless, can maul humans with its powerful claws if threatened. Wolverines, despite their small size, are aggressive and capable of taking down much larger prey. And finally, the cuttlefish. Its muscles contain a highly toxic substance, making it a venomous marine creature. This journey through the animal kingdom's dark side is a powerful reminder of the importance of respecting wildlife. It's crucial to remember that these creatures are not villains. They are simply animals, living their lives, protecting their territories, and surviving in the only ways they know. Always maintain a safe distance from these animals, respect their space, and remember that their behaviors, however threatening, are often born out of self-defense and survival instincts. Remember, beauty can be deceiving, and in the animal kingdom, it often comes with a bite.